tell you about the amazing feelings kit and how you can use it in a 30-day emotional clearing challenge. Now, the great thing about it is it only takes 6 oils, and I'm going to tell you quickly about these 6 oils. They are applied in a very particular order, but it only takes you about 6 minutes each morning to apply over a period of 30 days. We also add in some affirmations along the way, and we do some work around our intention and getting ready to do our 30 days, and it's an incredible experience. So really what you want to do is use the 6 oils for 30 days, every single day, once a day minimum. You can do it twice a day. And if you do that, I guarantee that you will find that you will have changes happening in the way you feel. You'll feel happier and more motivated to reach those intentions that you want to. So the oils that we're going to be using are, the first one is Valor. And Valor is inner courage and inner strength. So we definitely want to start with that one. In the process, we'll actually tell you how to apply it, where to apply it, and then how to balance your body with those, because they do have to be put on in a particular sequence. So from there we go to Harmony, and Harmony is a beautiful oil as well, which we use for our chakras. Now, we make sure that all our chakras are balanced, and in the course we'll actually tell you about where the chakras are, how to unblock them, and how to use Harmony. Again, we're using it as part of the 30-day process for you to clear those chakras and to balance the chakras. So the next oil that we will use in our emotional clearing is our oil called Present Time. Now, Present Time brings you into the present so that you are here and now with your emotions, and that's a really important thing to do when we're dealing with our emotions. So the next oil that we're going to be including in our emotional clearing is forgiveness, because not only are there people that we have in our lives that we want to forgive, but also we want to forgive ourselves as well. And that's a big one. A lot of people are stuck on their own inner willingness to forgive and to move on from their own forgiveness. So this is an oil to help with that. And again, we'll give you the specifics on how to apply that oil so it can take you through that process. So the next oil is Inner Child, because really at the end of the day, we want to come back to that beautiful inner self and innocence of self and connect to who we really are. And that's what Inner Child is about. And when you find out the place to pop this oil, you'll be amazed at how quickly it works when you use it. And then our last oil is Release. And release, we need to release as part of an emotional clearing experience. And that will be our oil that we will use to let go of what no longer serves us. And to do that, that will give us the freedom to find the emotional clearing that we need to meet the intentions that we've set for ourselves. So I hope that you can join us on this journey. It's a beautiful 30 days, and there are beautiful oils for you to experience over that 30 days and really move forward in your journey. So we'll see you soon.